Alright, in this problem we need to draw a circuit diagram. So the first thing we want to do is look at the battery, and we want to draw the battery so the positive end has a bigger horizontal line than the negative end. So this is going to be the positive end, and we're drawing this, and the positive end goes through a resistor first. So I'm going to draw a resistor. And then it comes in and it connects to C and to B. So both of those, both B and C, are connected to this resistor end. So I'm going to do something that looks like that, and I'm going to draw a light bulb sort of symbol and just put a C inside of it. I'm going to draw a light bulb symbol and put a B inside of it. Okay, and so now after the bulb or the current goes through C and then out C to A, and so it connects with A, but it also connects back up to the battery. So that tells me that I have a connection here. Let me erase that. Okay, so I have a connection here from the output of C all the way back to the negative side of the battery. And we can see that here, C, C, we go out of C and all the way back, if we follow right back to the negative side of the battery right here. And now if I look, after the wire goes to B, when it goes through B, it comes out of B and it goes to A. So here, on one end of A, I'm connected to B, and on the other end, I'm connected to the battery. So here I'm going to draw another light bulb, A. And so I'm going to connect here. And so I'm connected, just like here, I'm connected both to the negative side of the battery, but also to this one side of C. And so now, it doesn't ask us to, but I wanted to calculate what the equivalent resistance of this circuit is. So the first thing I need to do is to start here, and I want to find the equivalent resistance of RAB. And they're in series, so I just say it's RA plus RB. So RAB equals, I'm going to give each one of these a resistance of 10 ohms. And so I find 10 ohms plus 10 ohms. And that's RAB is equal to 20 ohms. And I'm just making up numbers here. Okay, so now I've got a new circuit that looks like and now I'm going to call this a resistor, and we'll have bulb C. And this is going to be RAB. This is C. Okay, so now I can see that these two resistors are in parallel, so I need to figure out the equivalent resistance for RABC. So 1 over RABC, and I'm using this formula because they're in parallel here, is 1 over RAB plus 1 over RC. And so 1 over RAB equals 1 over, I found that to be 20 ohms, or 1 over 20 ohms plus 1 over 10 ohms. So I need a common denominator, and the common denominator is going to be 20. So I have 1 here plus 1/10 is equal to 2/20, so I have a 3 here. So I have 1 over RAB is equal to 3 over 20 ohms. So now I have to flip. This is RABC, RABC, RABC. So RABC is equal to 20 over 3 ohms, and that's about equal to 7 ohms. Okay, so now my new circuit looks like oops, erase that. Okay, I've got a resistor here and a resistor here. And this is my R, A, B, C. And let's call this resistance, let's give it a resistance of, say, 100 ohms. So now to find the equivalent resistance here, I'm just adding. So my R, call it total, equals 100 ohms plus 7 ohms. And so I get a R total of 107. ohms.